Okay. Right. Okay, are you able to see my notes in Putra Blast?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, group 1, group 2, and group 3, yeah? So please, the course synopsis is also there, okay? And actually, I was ready with all the materials, but I didn't open to the students yet, yeah? Only last night, I thought, okay, this morning I'm going to start, so I will open up the system for the students. Okay, so the course synopsis is there. One, yeah, please look at the course synopsis there. And the lectures, the notes are in the Putrablas. Yeah? And I just want to check, is Jacqueline with us today? Jacqueline? Can you say yes? Jacqueline, are you with us today? She's in group 3
Yes,
actually.
doctor, I'm here.
Okay, good. All right. Yeah, I can see your name. Yeah, good. All right. So all are here. So Nimi will take the attendance. Please give your names. So I will just take overall how many people have attended the class today. The detailed names will be given to me by Nimi. Okay. Right. We'll look at the first slide. Yeah, general pharmacology. Okay, so the learning outcomes of this lecture, yeah. Number one, to recall the terminologies of pharmacology and toxicology, yeah. So in order to learn pharmacology, you need to know the terminologies, very important. Number two, be able to explain, yeah, the regulation of veterinary products, yeah. So veterinary products, it's referring to not only drugs, yeah, like such the other things are like vaccines, yeah, the enzyme probiotics that we use in animal feed, yeah? And then be able to explain the site of drug action, and lastly would be able to explain how drug is transported across the membrane and the types of membrane. Okay. Right. So overview of regulation of veterinary products. Yeah. Okay. Basically, we have three groups. Yeah. So the first one, yeah, the one in the a blue box, yeah, are all drugs. Yeah. Okay. These are drugs. Yeah. So products containing number one, a scheduled poison. Yeah. So in the Poison Act, it's written as Poison Act 1952. It's actually referring to drugs. Okay. Not so-called the poison. That the poison that will kill a person. No, the poison is referring to drugs. Okay, drugs that are used in treatment. So number one, scheduled poison. Yeah, as in the first schedule of the Poison Act 1952, right? And then products containing non-poison. Yeah, they refer as drugs that are sold over the counter. Yeah, OTC. Yeah, over the counter. So over the counter like aspirin, Panadol, yeah, cough syrups and so on. Number three, pesticides, yeah, for internal use. Yeah. This is especially in the animals, yeah. So sometimes it has very low dose, yeah. These pesticides, yeah. They have very low dose, yeah. When we come to lectures on the external antiparasitic agent and internal antiparasitic agent, yeah, we will discuss this in detail, okay. And then natural or herbal pesticides for external use. Yeah, this is pertaining to again, yeah, antiparasitic drugs. Okay, so not listed under the pesticide as listed under the first schedule act. Yeah, first schedule of the Pesticide Act 1974. So all these, yeah, the four types of the products, yeah, are regulated, yeah, under the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency, yeah, under the Ministry of Health, yeah, MOH. Yeah, this is under MOH. So please bear in mind that drugs that we use in animals are under the apa ni, under the purview of Ministry of Health. Okay. And the second category is the products containing vaccines, yeah, enzyme, yeah. So enzymes, they're used as feed additives, yeah, probiotics, they are used as feed additives, yeast, yeah, hormones, yeah, animal feed, and so on, yeah. So all these are being controlled by the Department of Veterinary Services. So our people, yeah, work in Department of Veterinary Services. Okay, usually the people who control the drugs, yeah, under NPRA are the pharmacists. Okay, so the others, yeah, DVS. So people in DVS are veterinarians. Okay, and the last category is the pesticides. Pesticides as listed under the first schedule of Pesticide Act 1974 for external use only. Yeah. Okay, an example is there. So this is governed by the pesticide board. So we are answerable to three agencies. Okay, or boards. Right. So let's look at the definitions. Okay. So what is pharmacology? So pharmacology, yeah, as this is a science there that deals with drugs, yeah, and living organism, yeah, and there should be an interaction, yeah, between drug and living organism. Okay, so it's important, yeah, a drug. So the keyword is here is the drug and living organism and interaction between both. Okay. So drug, yeah. If we look at the definition by the CDCR 1984, yeah, the Control of Drugs and Cosmetic Regulation 1984, yeah, it says that drug includes any substance, product, or article intended to be used or capable of being used on humans, yeah, or any animal, whether internally or externally, for a medicinal purpose. Okay, bear in mind for medicinal purpose. Okay, so what is the medicinal purpose? Okay, so any of the following purposes, right? This is according to the definition by the CDCR 1984. Okay, so this is for elevating, treating, curing, or preventing a disease or a pathological condition, yeah, or try to treat a symptom of a disease, yeah, try to reduce the symptoms of a disease, yeah, diagnose, yeah, for diagnosing purposes, yeah, use drugs, okay, contraception, yeah, inducing anesthesia, yeah, use drugs, and then maintaining, modifying, preventing, restoring, or interfering with the normal operation of a physiological function. Okay, we can only, okay, these drugs, yeah, they can only modify or maintain or restore a normal physiological function. We are not creating, the drugs do not create a new function in the body. Okay, right? That must be clear. So it will modify, yeah, prevent, or it will do something to the function, but it never create a new function. So other purposes, yeah, such as like controlling body weight, yeah, people use drugs. This is in case of obesity, lah. Okay. And then also for general maintenance and promotion of health or well-being. Okay, right.
Hello, doctor.
Yes,
Sorry for interrupting, but we have another class at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Who's speaking?
Mimi.
Nima. Okay. It's 10 minutes to 10. Yeah. Can I stop? Okay. Yeah. About 5 minutes. Have you got any questions now? Class, have you got any questions so far?
So far, nothing.
No.
No question. Okay. Okay, let me finish this definition. Can I? Right?
Okay, sure, doctor.
I will take only 5 minutes. Yeah. Then you can get ready for the next class. Is it okay?
Okay, doctor.
Okay, yeah,
Yes,
can, okay. So, right, it's, I got 10 minutes left, but we'll try to finish in 5 minutes. Okay, so the definitions that I mentioned earlier, yeah, in your course synopsis, like pharmacokinetic. What is pharmacokinetics? Yeah, so pharmacokinetics is referring to the absorption, the absorption, distribution, localization in tissues, biotransformation, and excretion of the drug. Okay, so basically, yeah, it describes the phase of drug in living organism, right? Yeah, it involves the absorption, distribution, localization, biotransformation, and excretion. So that is pharmacokinetics. Okay, pharmacodynamics. Yeah, I mentioned this also in your course synopsis. Yeah? So pharmacodynamics, yeah, basically refers to the mechanism of action of drugs. Okay, it's actually the response of the body, yeah, towards the drug. When you take Panadol, okay, what is the response, yeah, of the body towards the drug? You take Panadol, fever is reduced. No fever. Okay, you take a painkiller, yeah, ibuprofen, yeah, there's reduction in pain, right? Okay, so next, yeah, pharmacy. Okay, pharmacy, yeah, here, okay, it's actually like, the science that deals with preparation and dispensation of drugs. Okay, they prepare, okay, they formulate drugs here, yeah. So this is a field of science, yeah, that they prepare, yeah, formulate, and then they dispense drugs, yeah, to us. So we are the end users. Okay, we take drugs. Yeah, we don't prepare drugs. Yeah, we use drugs. Yeah. Okay, and then pharmacognosy. Okay, this is referring to the field of science of natural drugs and their constituents. Okay, pharmacotherapeutic. Okay, refers to the science, yeah, where drugs are used for treatment. And lastly would be toxicology, yeah, it's referring to poison, yeah, poison and its toxic effect on the body. Okay, so when a cat accidentally ingests paracetamol, okay, what's the toxic effect, yeah, on the body of the cat? So that is toxicology. Okay, right. Yeah, I think I will stop here. Um, any questions so far? Are all good? Yeah. Is my voice clear? Is there anything to? Yeah, please write in the chat box. Yeah.
Doctor,
Yes.
can you explain a bit further for pharmacognosy?
Pharmacognosy. Okay, this is the field of science. Yeah, the use of natural drugs. So some drugs, yeah, they are derived from alkaloids, plant alkaloids, yeah, and they are used, yeah, for treatment purposes. Okay, this is like from plant or from other what do you call, natural sources. Okay, so this field of study is referred as pharmacognosy. It is not synthesized in the lab. Okay, it is from the natural source. Okay, for example,
Thank you, Doctor.
the first penicillin which was discovered, yeah, penicillin, you know the drug penicillin that you take as an antibiotic, yeah. So that the first drug, yeah, of penicillin was discovered from a fungus, right? So that is from the it's natural, yeah, from other microorganisms or from plant sources. Yeah. So it's a field of study. Yeah. That is referring to natural drugs. Yeah. From natural sources. Yeah. And their constituents. That means there are other what do you call? It's not made in the lab. Yeah, reformulations and so on, is from the natural source. Is that clear?
Yes, Doctor. Thank you.
Okay. Anything else?
Doctor,
Yeah.
someone asked in the chat box, like, is it something like Himalaya
Box, wait,
certification?
I must see my chat. Hang on a minute. Chat, okay, chat box. Doctor is something like herbs. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, true. Herbs from plants. Yeah, the Himalayan products. Yeah, that are not drugs. They are from natural sources, but used also. They are not produced in the lab. They are produced in the lab, but it is not formulated synthetically in the lab. Yeah, it's from the natural source, not from the chemicals. Anything else?
Doctor, so marijuana is considered a natural drug, right? Because it's from cannabis plant.
No, it depends. Depends. What is the purpose of the drug? Yeah. Okay. Marijuana is not allowed in Malaysia. Yeah. Only in some countries they allow the use of marijuana, but not in Malaysia. Yeah. Because if it's used, if it's being prescribed by a doctor, then it's different. But if you take it just like that, in clubs and so on, it is not. You can be fined. Drugs and so on. So you must be able to know what are the hardcore drugs and drugs used for treatment. Okay. So the name drug is like very very loose. So drugs for treatment is being prescribed by doctors. Yeah, for sometimes for severe pain and so on, doctor prescribe like morphine. Yeah, that is allowed when it's being prescribed by a doctor, but not you get it somewhere and use it by your own. Yeah, for hallucination and to be happy and smiling. No, that is wrong. Okay. In some countries they allow, but not in Malaysia. These are for
I was just wondering. Thank you, doctor.
purposes. Yeah. Any questions? Any questions so far? Tak ada So all are happy today? All okay? I suppose so.
Okay, doctor.
Okay. So we will continue our class tomorrow. Have I sent you the invitation, Mimi?
Not yet, Doctor.
Ah,
Not yet, Doctor.
belum.
Belum.
Belum. Okay. I will send the invitation today. Yeah. For tomorrow's lecture, we'll meet at 10. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
See you, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Doctor, thank you.
Everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, doctor.